My name is Andrew Smith. I like to do crafting, but for the last year and a half I've been doing a lot of 3D printing. What's neat about this is there's such a great community around it that you can actually just go online and download a lot of the models for free. Today you're going to see a katana being printed from start to finish. I'm going to be assembling it, sanding it, filling in the cracks, sanding it some more, priming it, and painting it. And then you'll get to see the finished product. Some of the things I like to print are different prop weapons from different movies like Avengers, Lord of the Rings, things like that. Enjoy.